Everyone is letting out a sigh of relief at the recent spike in the price of Tesla stock. But the news we have for you today is far more exciting than the recent rise. Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is involved. The one and only Oracle of Omaha appears to have shown a genuine interest in Tesla stock at last in his additions. Have the potential to permanently change the direction of the company. People are wondering if he's finally ready to touch Tesla stock as the pinnacle of a career of amazing achievement, so you won't want to miss this. This one will be wild, so fasten your seatbelt. Elon might transform a number of sectors. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, made another controversial statement just before Christmas, claiming that Warren Buffett would probably take advantage of the market's volatility in 2023 to buy cheap stocks. This led to a lot of people speculating that Buffett was going to buy Tesla stock. In an interview with the full Mars catalog on Twitter, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter stated, "I think Warren Buffett will be purchasing a lot of stock next year." The moment to buy equities is now. If a firm has excellent fundamentals, but the market is experiencing a brief panic evidently, Musk stated that Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett is renowned for his capacity to recognize low-cost, high-quality companies and make long-term investments in them. He's also well known for his capacity to profit in unstable times. Musk seems to believe that market turbulence would present Buffett with opportunities, given his worries that increasing interest rates during a recession will negatively impact stock prices and auto sales. It was revealed last year that the renowned investor was dumping BYD shares in favor of Tesla as Berkshire Hathaway continued to unwind its long position in the company. This Chinese electric vehicle maker is a serious rival to Tesla, having held the top rank for 14 years. Some have conjectured that Warren Buffett is financing an investment in Tesla using the proceeds from the sale of his shares in Berkshire Hathaway, and subsequent statements from Buffett's right-hand man haven't done much to refute those claims. Vice Chairman of Berkshire Hathaway Charlie Munger has referred to Tesla's achievements in the auto business as a miracle on a recent edition of CNBC's Squawk Box. Munger lauded Elon Musk and his electric automobile from Tesla, calling it an incredible performance in the American auto business. Munger clarified, though, that he did not liken Tesla to Bitcoin. It's been a very long time since we've had a successful new vehicle company. However, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has significantly advanced society. What Tesla has accomplished is nothing short of amazing when looking at the auto sector. Munger pointed out that Tesla's stock has decreased by almost 50% in the past several months, despite the company being the biggest electric vehicle company in the world, according to market capitalization. More recent losses are seen in Rivian Automotive and Lucid Group. When compared to BYD's gains, a 20% decline in NIO over the last 3 months appears somewhat better, but it is still not competitive. With a 14% ownership stake, BYD is experiencing significant growth. Over the past 3 months, the stock has increased by almost 5%. While this may not seem like much, consider how badly the rest of the EV business has done during the same time frame. Regretfully, it's becoming more and more clear that BYD is outperforming Tesla in terms of the stock market. The EVs that are offered by the two businesses differ significantly from one another. BYD markets both completely electric and plug-in hybrid electric cars, FEVs, whereas Tesla only sells fully electric vehicles. The driving range of FEVs is longer than that of fully electric EVs. In addition, BYD's EVs are more well-liked in China than Tesla's because of their lower prices. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, both Tesla and BYD have had production challenges in China. However, BYD seems to have handled these issues better than Tesla. As a result, Tesla has been compelled to lower the price of its cars sold in this enormous nation. Tesla is not your average electric vehicle. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, believes the company can increase car deliveries by 50% a year on average for as far into the future as we can see, making it a leader in electric vehicles and one of the most popular stocks of the preceding 10 years. Nonetheless, it isn't a Warren Buffett stock, to start at least. The future of electric vehicles EVs seems bright, as Tesla presently holds the largest operating margin in the whole auto sector. Given that Tesla shares have dropped by more than 75% from their peak, why isn't Buffett purchasing them? We may presume that Tesla's business strategy is too complicated for Warren Buffett to comprehend, which is why he isn't interested in the company. For the same reason, Buffett has long shunned some of the biggest tech companies. However, Buffett has demonstrated that he is open to purchasing e-vehicle stocks. Determining the most plausible rationale for Buffett's rejection of the Chinese electric vehicle startup BYD may not be too tough. Probably more significant to Buffett than the 3.5% stake in General Motors that Berkshire owns is the price of Tesla shares. With a price-to-earnings growth ratio of 1.08 and a current valuation of approximately 24 times earnings, Tesla stock is attractive, both of which are superior to a few other stocks that Berkshire already owns. However, as many have noted, the price of Tesla stock is high. Given this, Buffett has a simple criteria he applies to determine whether or not to purchase a business. If the stock isn't offered at a fair price in relation to the lower end of its expected earnings range, he won't buy. Tesla doesn't pass the Buffett test, despite its stunning exterior. Tesla might have to lower its valuation since Buffett isn't convinced that the company has a wide enough moat, as seen by the company's discounting of some models by the end of 2022. It's important to note that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has previously rejected Buffett's recommendation that investors look for businesses with buffers or moats surrounding them. Musk claims that what counts is the rate of innovation. This action might be interpreted by Buffett and others as proof that Tesla does not have as strong of a competitive edge as many believe. While it is evident that Elon Musk does not align with Buffett's preferred style of CEO, it seems that Buffett still has faith in Elon and consequently in Tesla's ability to achieve great success in the not-too-distant future. In a prior interview, Buffett himself attested to this fact, quoting veteran CBS anchor Charlie Rose. Buffett praised Musk for his numerous contributions to Tesla, saying, "It's unbelievable what Elon is doing. He is up against companies like Ford, Toyota, General Motors, and others who are similarly resource-rich but just have a concept." Despite not having invented the electric car or even the luxury electric vehicle market, Tesla benefits from the constant innovation and development of new products by the Tesla team. As more automakers enter the EV market, Buffett claims that the business is expanding at an exponential rate. Although the company's innovative business strategy, which includes keeping total control over sales and servicing, is one reason why Tesla stock has performed so well since its IPO. Many analysts and investors see Tesla more as a technology company than an automaker, reasoned by the rise in its stock price starting in 2013, which, with a market capitalization of over $600 billion, Tesla grew by more than 300% in a single year, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. This raised the question of whether or not Warren Buffett would purchase Tesla stock if he approved of the company's valuation, was comfortable with its moat, and was a big fan of the management team. As Buffett famously said, investing is just a game of sitting back and letting pitches roll by one until one strikes you right in the head. For more ludicrous news on Tesla stock, subscribe to this channel. Buffett waits to buy stocks that best suit his investment strategy. In the future video, I hope to see you there. Please subscribe and like. Everyone is letting out a sigh of relief at the recent spike in the price of Tesla stock. But the news we have for you today is far more exciting than the recent rise. Warren Buffett, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is involved. The one and only Oracle of Omaha appears to have shown a genuine interest in Tesla stock at last, and his additions have the potential to permanently change the direction of the company. People are wondering if he's finally ready to touch Tesla